That day, Thomas the Train and his friends were playing in the lake until the train monster appeared. What would happen next?
This lake is so peaceful today.
I'll watch the race from the sky.
Speed and smiles, fun all day. Racing by the lake we play.
Ready, go! This is so much fun! Something feels wrong. Did you see that? What is that thing? It's attacking! We need to move now!
Don't give up, don't be afraid. Together we are strong and brave.
I'll distract it from above. Follow me! Watch out for the steam! This way! It's slowing down!
Side by side, we find a way. Teamwork saves the day.
It can't move! It's running away! It's finally over.
Peace returns, the danger's gone. Friendship helps us carry on.
Best race ever!
That was scary, but amazing.
As long as we stay together, we're safe.
Ready for our next adventure?